CARERS Groups, Methods and Impact video series. Episode 8, Part 2, Care Partners Perspective, Krista.
It was actually very helpful and interesting for me because one of the things that we actually don't realize is how emotionally invested we are in our carer role and how that can just become so overwhelming. If you think of a problem and it just becomes this huge mountain that you can't climb, but to know that there are steps on the way up that mountain that actually and little platforms where you can stop and think about it. That's how I felt with that problem solving technique.
What did you learn from participating in simulations?
I learned that I needed to have more patience. That simulation made me understand that I didn't quite get where the person with Alzheimer's was coming from. It's so interesting because the person that has dementia or Alzheimer's still looks the same. So somehow we have an expectation of them responding how they used to respond when we had those conversations with them. And it really made me realize that I needed to take the time and take that breath and understand where they were coming from. Also made me realize that when I got upset with something, that it's not my mom. It's not my mom's fault. That's the disease. It's just how the disease progresses. And we all need to take that moment and say, okay, this is not my mom. This is the disease. And this is how the disease is affecting her understanding of the same words I said to her 10 years ago. So it was really, really enlightening with respect to that.
Contact your local Enhancing Care program for more information about CARERS groups in your area. Visit www.carersontario.ca to find a location near you. Watch Episode 8, Part 3 to hear more from Krista about her experience.